Are you an e-commerce entrepreneur who uses Google Chrome as your main browser? If so, you might already know about Chrome extensions. But did you know that Chrome extensions can help you be more efficient and productive when running your online store? In this video, we'll share with you our special pick of the best Chrome extensions for e-commerce entrepreneurs. What are Google Chrome extensions? Google Chrome extensions are small pieces of software that you can add to your browser to customize your browsing experience and make certain tasks easier. They can help you save time and effort and perform specific tasks without leaving the navigation window you're in. There are free and premium versions of most extensions. Here are the 8 best Chrome extensions for e-commerce entrepreneurs. 1. Tag Assistant by Google. This extension allows you to verify that you have installed various Google tags correctly on your page, including Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager, among others. It's easy to use and powered by Google. 2. Clever Ads Keyword Planner. With this extension, you can find the right keywords for your Google Ads campaigns. You can scan your competitors' stores to find out what keywords they are using on their landing pages. You can find new keyword ideas and download the data to your computer for free. 3. Koala Inspector, Shopify and Dropship Spy Tool. This extension reveals all the secrets behind any Shopify store. With just one click, you can obtain valuable information about the store you are visiting, such as themes, installed apps, number of products in the store, the best-selling products, the latest products published, price range, average monthly visits, traffic sources, visitors' demographic profile, and social links. 4. Oberlo, AliExpress.com Product Importer. This extension allows you to import and sync products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. You can import products to your store with just one click and link order details between your store and AliExpress to simplify orders. 5. Streak CRM. This extension allows you to manage sales and customer relationships directly from your inbox. You can create contact lists, personalize emails with information from your customers, take notes on specific contacts, and move them through the database depending on their responses. 6. Buffer. This extension allows you to share different page content on your own social profiles. With just one click, you can publish on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can also add articles to your social media queue for future scheduling. 8. Mailtrack is a browser extension and email tracking tool that provides users with the ability to track when their email messages have been opened. It works on both Gmail and Outlook. Sending mass emails through Gmail allows you to stay in touch with your customers and keep them engaged with your e-commerce store. Mailtrack highlights. Use its Gmail Mail Merge feature, which is helpful when you need to send a personalized message to many people by importing their names, email addresses, and company names from a Google Sheet. Document Analytics enhances your document's effectiveness by assessing engagement levels. Gather data and metrics regarding document access, viewing patterns, and utilization, including metrics like view counts and time spent on each page. Mailtrack CRM feature provides a complete view of recipient interactions and discover important insights into their actions and preferences, all in one place. Chrome extensions can make your life easier as an e-commerce entrepreneur. Comment your favorite one. We hope you find them helpful. Thanks for watching.